Are there really easy steps to make $10,000 a month profit from your online store? We know that it's a clickbait title, but we're completely serious. Welcome back to E-Commerce Know-How, and in this video, we are going to share with you some really easy steps to make money from your online store. Create your business. The first step to starting an online store is setting up a legitimate business. The easiest way to do this is to register as an LLC or an S-Corp. The rules may vary slightly from region to region, but generally these are very easy to set up. While it may be tempting to skip this step, there is a major reason to go ahead and invest the time in getting it done. If you are selling products online, you don't want to be liable for a malfunction or defect. In the unlikely scenario that a product's dysfunction causes harm, your customer could attempt to sue you for the damages. If this happens, you want to make sure that your money, your house, and your livelihood are all protected. Having LLC or S-Corp status helps provide that protection. Pick a high-ticket item centered on passion or utility. This is one big decision, so take your time and choose wisely. A high product price with a low competitive niche is perfect. Now, the reason you want to limit your options to high-ticket items is that doing so makes it much more likely you reach your goal. As a dropshipper, you make your money through getting a portion of each sale. When you are making $1,000 in profit on a single transaction, you only need 10 sales a month to get your goal. Focusing on making a handful of high-ticket item sales is a lot easier than trying to sell 5,000 different products each month. Sign up for Shopify and make a website. You've completed the biggest step, that is choosing your niche and product. Now it's time to start building a website that you will use to make sales and hit your monthly goal. Shopify is probably the best e-commerce site available right now. You can get an account set up quickly, easily, and affordably. Once you have your Shopify account set up, it's time to start building your website. You need to consider the design of your website. It should be simple and easy for your potential customers to navigate. Other aspects like product descriptions, licenses, your terms and conditions, and policies need to be clear so that there isn't any confusion in case of a dispute with your customer. Find suppliers and join their wholesale program. Companies want to reach their potential customers, and they are looking for opportunities to do it more effectively. You are offering to be a bridge that helps bring more customers to their products. If you find a product that looks good and fits your niche, all you have to do is a simple Google search to find the supplier's contact info. Call them up and say, "I'd like to open a wholesale account for your company." We have found that 80% of the time, this is enough to get a real conversation started. They will often give you some paperwork to sign to become a wholesaler. Then they'll give you the price list, and you'll be ready to start selling. Google Ads and promoting your store online. You've got your business and website set up, and you've made connections to suppliers providing products in your niche. Now it's time to get traffic to your site so that you can start converting visitors into customers. There are a lot of options out there for driving traffic, but we prefer using Google Ads over these flashier platforms like Facebook. Why? Because it's easier to get targeted ads aimed directly at the people who are looking to buy the products you just acquired. If someone is looking to buy a high-end product, they'll usually be researching it on Google, not Facebook. Google Ads also have the benefit of being easy to use. All you have to do is follow the rules of Google to target the proper demographic and keyword searches. It's a lot easier than you think. Once you have these ads running, you will get traffic to your site. Once you have people on your site, some of them will make a purchase. Remember, if you are selling high-ticket items, you only need a handful of sales each month to meet your goal. So, there you have it, 5 easy steps to get started with your online store. And with that being said, it's time to end our video. So, when are you getting started with your e-commerce business? Let us know in the comments. Like this video and subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. We'll see you in the next video.